Guys, we are back for a part 3 of Pretty URLs because I've gotten so much good improvement and suggestion from the community that I actually learned something during this process. And so now I want to show you the updated from the last video of the new learnings that I have. And special shout out to David Pal, Eli Beachy, Andrew Vernon, and a couple others for making these suggestions and improvements to all of our workflows now. So let me show you. The first thing is when you're sending a piece of data to a reusable element. Now, before what I was doing is a do search for, and then I was using the get data from page URL last item and matching that with a unique ID in order to find the right data that I want to have for this reusable element. But now what I'm doing is get data from page URL last item, and I'm just switching the type of this away from text into whatever data type that I want, which then allows me to avoid doing the search for and just getting that data and the type directly from the URL. So great, saving a search for, no database hit there. So the next tip was sent to me by Andrew Vernon, and this is meant for single page applications and to reduce the need to have to create that go to page action every single time you need to use it. So instead, you can go to one of your key reusables, whether it's your main dashboard for your SBA or your header, and create this custom event. Within the custom event, you're going to want to have a variable for whatever option set you're using for your URL parameters. In this case, my paths are OS navigation, and that's needed or required for every single one. But then if we want to send any data with it, we make this optional and we do data thing text. This makes it so I can send any kind of unique ID along with this navigation event from the custom event. So now what I can do is I can get back into any of my other pages, and if I need to go to a new page, what I could do is I can use the trigger custom event for my reusable, pick the reusable, which is the header, and then it automatically pulls in the custom event that I created, and then I just set up whatever view I want to see, and then if I need to send data to that or not. And that's it. I don't have to recreate that go to page actions a million times. So thank you, Andrew, for showing me that, suggesting that it's a great efficiency in your building process. It'll speed you up. And to all of the others for suggesting the improvements to this pretty URL process. So part 3 is in the books. I think this might do it, but if you guys can find a better way to do pretty URLs in Bubble, let me know and I will do a part 4 or whatever we need to do in order to ensure we all know the best way to use URLs in Bubble. So shout out to all those that helped me, and thank you for tuning in, and follow me for more. See ya.